Hi guys, this is Muzi from Aspiring Media. Today I'll be showing you all how to replace a quarter panel of a Porsche. I'll be showing you all the tools that you need to work on this car and how to start it and how to finish it off. As you all can see, the rear quarter panel is smashed here on the right hand side. The bumper is the car is all been stripped off. The bumper is out. The main damage is here at the back. We'll be replacing this quarter panel with the new quarter panel, so please just like, subscribe, comment. Yeah guys, we back at it again. I want to show you where we're gonna start. As you can see, the quarter panel is quite clean coming here to the front. We took the door off. It means our main cutting is gonna be somewhere. Our cutting is gonna be somewhere here in the middle of the panel. I think we'll be joining it here and joining it there. I don't know if you can see the markings. That's where we'll be joining the quarter panel. So we'll just wire brush, remove whatever we can remove so we can get to the inner skin of the panel and pull maybe or repair whatever is inside that's damaged. The under tray, as you can see, the under tray is damaged. We won't be replacing the under tray. We will be fixing the under tray of this Porsche. So yeah guys, that's it. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where I'll be showing you all when we starting to cut and join the car. Yeah guys, here's the quarter panel we'll be replacing. We're just cutting a half section of this quarter panel because we'll be just needing the back section. We'll just need the back section of this quarter panel, but it's looking alright so far. So we'll be working on this quarter panel guys. Okay guys, the welding is done. I was using a pulse brazing machine. I got the joint. So the tools I showed you all, the tools I was using here. Everything is aligning properly. Light with the bumper. No need to put on the door, but start aligning properly first. So yeah guys, that's the job. Stay tuned for more. Stay tuned for the paint work and the preparation when I take it to the paint shop. But so far guys, the body is looking 100%. I'm happy with the outcome of the job. So yeah. And the tray is fixed. Pulled it, welded. Yeah, that's the outcome. Just have to come here, knock it inside, knock like this inner panel here. Then yeah, I think that's it.